Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to add a logo and favicon in a WordPress. So first thing that you will do guys is simply go ahead and of course go to wordpress.com and make sure you are signed in into your account. And from here guys, just simply go ahead and click on your site and go for my home under here. So just click on that. And from here, once you have selected your site, just go ahead and go to the left side of the screen where you should see this dashboard. And from here, just simply go to settings and then go to general. And from here, you should be able to see a site profile. And down below, you should be able to see the site icon, which from here, as you can see, this will be the favicon when you are using the browser. So from here, just simply click on change. And after that, you can just simply click on upload media. And from here, just simply upload your icon or logo. So this will be depending on you. And after that, you can just simply click on continue in order for it to save. And that's simply about it. And you can just simply click on done. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.